Chapter 5: Enhancing a Presentation. Learning Objectives. After studying this chapter, you will be able to discuss adding text to the slide, explain how to format the text, understand how to add new slide and picture. Let's warm up. Have you ever witnessed one of your teachers giving a presentation at an office meeting, in front of a big crowd, or to many classrooms at once? Presentations allow one to communicate their thoughts to a broad audience when accompanied by graphics, animations, audio, and video presentation. MS PowerPoint. On a desktop or laptop, you can create presentations using a variety of tools. These presentations enable a user to present ideas and thoughts in an engaging way. Microsoft PowerPoint, Lotus Freelance, Apple Keynote, and OpenOffice.org Impress are a few examples of widely used presenting software. They aid in the production of text, audio, video, and animated presentations. PowerPoint is the presenting tool that is most frequently utilized. It belongs to the Microsoft Office suite. In this chapter, let's study more about PowerPoint 2016 and how to enhance the presentation. Definition: formatting refers to the appearance of a document to make it attractive. Features of MS PowerPoint. Now let us discuss some more features of MS PowerPoint. The various options available in the font group are as follows: font, font size, increase font size, decrease font size, bold button, italic button, underline button, font color button. 1. Font. This drop-down contains a list of fonts to change the font of the text. 2. Font size. By using this button, you can select various sizes for the text. 3. Increase font size. This is used to increase the size of the text. 4. Decrease font size. This is used to decrease the size of the text. 5. Bold button. This increases the thickness of the text to make it dark. 6. Italic button. This tilts the text. 7. Underline button. This inserts a line below the text. 8. Font color button. This is used to change the color of the text. These formatting options can be applied on the text by using the following steps. 1. Select the text which is to be formatted. 2. Click on any option as per your choice. Apart from formatting the text, you can also organize the text on a slide by using the following options available in the paragraph group of the Home tab. 1. Align left. It is used to align the text to the left of the page. 2. Align right. It is used to align the text to the right of the page. 3. Justify. It aligns text from both sides, means from the left and the right margins of the page. 4. Center. It is used to align the text to the middle of the page. 5. Bullets. By using this, you can create an unordered list. 6. Numbering. It is used to create an ordered list. 7. Line spacing. This button has a list of line spacings. You can select any one to give spaces between the lines. To apply these options to the text, select the text and click the required options. Adding text to the slide. 1. Select the title placeholder and enter Computer Parts as the title. 2. Include the speaker's name as the slide's subtitle. Assume you have printer name typed here as the maker. Smart tip. The placement of various elements on slides is known as a slide layout. Formatting the text. From the font group on the Home tab, you can format the text. To format the text, you must select the title and then the appropriate alternatives. 1. To alter the text's color, select the font color option. Use the drop-down arrow key to select the desired color and then click the drop-down arrow key. 2. To modify the font size and type, click the drop-down arrows next to the words font and font type. Then select the desired options. 3. To make the text bold, italicized, and underline, click the bold, italic, and underline tab. Adding a new slide. Let's say you wish to expand the presentation with additional slides. You must adhere to the instructions in order to add new slides to the presentation. 1. Select the New Slide button under the Home tab. Select any slide from the drop-down menu by clicking on the arrow. 2. Select Monitor Screen will show a list of slide layouts. 3. Select the layout based on your needs. 4. The presentation will add a new slide with the selected layout. Adding picture in a slide. To improve the effectiveness of the presentation, you can use images, charts, and tables in the slides. Let's practice adding pictures to slides. 1. From the slide layout, select the title and content layout. 2. Select the picture option by clicking in the slide's center. 3. Additionally, you can insert a photo from the Images group found under the Insert tab. 4. Use your computer's search function to find the image you wish to place into the slide. 5. Click the Insert button after clicking the image. 6. The image will be added to the slide. Adding a bulleted list. The text can be arranged in a list format with bullets. Let's practice doing that. 1. Fill in the placeholders on the slide with the text you want to add. 2. Let's say you want to fill the bullets with input devices, output devices, and processing devices. Adding themes in the presentation. You can apply pre-made designs to the slides in PowerPoint to give them a more pleasant appearance. You can select colors and patterns based on your needs. By selecting the Design tab, you can go to the Themes. Viewing the slides in the presentation. By selecting the Start from the Beginning option on the Quick Access toolbar, you can view the presentation in full screen mode. This button allows you to run the slides in full screen mode. Printing presentation. You can take printouts of your presentation. To print the presentation, follow the given steps. 1. Open the presentation you want to print. 2. Click the File tab and choose the Print option. 3. The Print dialog box opens up on the screen. Choose the options like Copies and options under Settings like Print all slides, etc. 4. Click the Print button. Quick key. Use these shortcuts to do the following tasks. Ctrl+P, open Print dialog box. Ctrl+S, save a presentation. Ctrl+O, open a presentation. Ctrl+N, create a new presentation. Inserting a table in a slide. You can insert a table in a slide in two different ways, which are: Option 1. Create a new slide that is specifically made to contain a table. Option 2. Insert a table in the existing slide. Entering text in a table. This slide displays an empty table when you create a new one. The upper left corner of the table's first cell is where the insertion point appears when a table is inserted. The insertion point shows the text you are now typing. Copying and moving cells. Drag and drop is a method for copying or moving cell contents after you have selected them. You can also use the Home tab's Cut, Copy, and Paste options, or the shortcut menu that displays when you pick a cell and use the right mouse button. Merging and splitting cells. You can merge neighboring cells to make a single cell that spans two or more adjacent cells. By merging the cells, you can enter a column heading in one huge cell that is the same width as the multiple smaller cells below. To merge two or more cells. 1. Choose the cells you wish to combine. 2. Select the Layout tab from the Contextual Table Tools tab. In the Merge group, click Merge Cells, or select Merge Cells by using the right mouse button. To split a cell. 1. Choose the cell you want to split. One cell can only be divided at a time. 2. Select the Layout tab from the Contextual Table Tools tab. Select Split Cells under the Merge group by clicking the Merge down pointing arrow. 3. The cell is divided into two equal-sized cells, with any text displaying in the left cell. Alternatively, you can right-click the mouse and select Split Cells. Changing a table style. A table style is a combination of different formatting options, including color combinations derived from the presentation's theme colors. Any table that you add has a table style applied to it automatically. Thumbnails of table style appear in the Quick Styles gallery in the Table Styles group. When you place your mouse pointer over a quick style thumbnail, you can see how the quick style affects your table. To apply a different table style. 1. In Tables tool, Contextual tab, click Design tab. In the Table Style group, click the table style that you want, or click the More button. A style gallery opens. 2. Select the desired table style you want to apply. To clear the table style, click the More button and then click Clear Table. Rearranging slides. Slide sorter view is used to rearrange the slides. It shows the slides of a presentation in thumbnail miniature form. It means you can view multiple slides at a time. To rearrange slides, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the View tab. 2. Click on the Slide Sorter option in the Presentation Views group. The thumbnails of slides appear on the screen. 3. Select the slide you want to move to a new location. 4. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the slide to the new location and release the button. 5. Repeat both steps 3 and 4 to rearrange more slides. Adding transitions. Transitions are the visual movements that you see when one slide changes into another slide during a slideshow. You can apply transition effect to a single slide as well as all the slides. To add transitions, follow the given steps. 1. Select the slide and click the Transitions tab. 2. Click the drop-down arrow in transition to this slide group. A list of effects appears. 3. Click any of the options that you want to select. The selected transition will get applied on the slide. 4. You can also apply the same transition effect to all the slides by clicking the Apply to All button. No more. Click the Preview button in Preview Group to see the transition effects of your presentation. Applying animation effect. The movement of the elements of a presentation, like text, pictures, and charts, etc., in any direction of the slide is called animation. You can apply animation effects to the text or the objects in a presentation. Applying animation effects enhance the appearance of the presentation. It also controls the flow of information. To apply animation effects, follow the given steps. 1. Open any presentation. Select the text or object you want to animate. 2. Now, click the Animations tab and then click the Add Animation drop-down arrow in the Advanced Animation group. 3. You will get a list of options. Choose your animation type by clicking on it. 4. The animation will be applied on the selected text or object. Animation pane appears on the right side of the window. In the animation pane, click the drop-down button on the animation type and choose the desired options like timing and effect, etc. 5. Click the Play From button to preview your slide. No more. You can view the animation pane by clicking Animation pane from Advanced Animation group. Let's recall. A presentation is a speech or a lecture intended to convince or educate listeners about particular subjects. These are the specific presentation pages where text, graphics, audio, and videos can be used. A slideshow is when several slides are displayed sequentially in full screen format. The PowerPoint window's top left corner houses the Quick Access toolbar. The title bar displays the file name and has control buttons to maximize, minimize, and close the window. The ribbon has many tabs, including File, Home, Insert, Design, Transitions, and Animations, among others.